Hi, I'm Sam. I'm the watch designer at WT Author. WT Milestones is a monthly update of all things past, present and future here from Author HQ. And today happens to be my birthday. So this is a real cause to celebrate. All good things come in threes. So first up, let's kick things off with an update on the production of the 1973 collection. From Friday, the 1st of October, the workshop will begin working on the final components for the new watch. This gives us plenty of time to assemble and test every watch before we begin shipping in November. We have also approved all of the extras that come with the 1973 watch. This includes the signed and numbered sketch, the signed and numbered technical drawing, Chapter 8 from the book of WT Author, and the exclusive artwork for the packaging. We anticipate bringing forward the November 21 delivery date for a large amount of our Kickstarter pledges and existing orders. We'll be giving further updates throughout October. Now onto the second good thing. Let's talk about our next collection, due for pre-order spring 2022. The story is inspired by 80s warfare, so think typhoon, stealth, Apaches and space. And this collection is a big deal for us. We are going to throw everything we can at it and produce something really special. It will be the spiritual successor to the 1940 collection. A lot of these models have completely sold out, and we were even lucky enough to partner with the Imperial War Museum at Duxford. We will be upgrading every caliber to the 9015 Miyota, and just like the 1973's NATO strap, we'll also be developing a brand new watch band. The third good thing. We want you to help us design our next watch. We are introducing a more collaborative approach to our design process. Trust us, you will not want to miss this opportunity to share sketches, CADs, prototypes, all before the next launch. Please search for Club 13 Red on Facebook to become a member, to take part now and for future releases. Don't forget to follow, like and subscribe for future updates. We'll be sketching and building watches, giving you exclusive behind-the-scenes access to the workshop with walkthroughs showing each of the watches up close, and the build-up to the Classic Motor Show at the NEC. Keep an eye out for our competition. Of course, we'll be covering everything that brings us together, including partnerships, features, and the upcoming charity auction. For now, thanks for watching and see you soon.